Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix suspended FanDuel account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if your FanDuel account has been suspended, it typically means there is an issue with compliance, account activity or verification. So what you need to do is determine the reason for suspension. Check your email inbox and spam folder for a notification from FanDuel. The email should explain why your account was suspended. Common reasons include failed verification, multiple accounts, suspicious activity, violation of terms of service. Number 2 is to verify your identity. FanDuel may suspend your account if your identity could not be verified. Now what you need to do is submit documents, upload a government issue ID. If requested, provide a proof of address. Now number 3 is resolve location issues. If you are accessing FanDuel from a restricted state or location, what you need to do is enable location services, use geo-comply and then check state eligibility. Number 4 is to address payment or chargeback issues. FanDuel may suspend account for unpaid balances or chargebacks. Contact FanDuel support, reach out to their billing team to settle any outstanding amounts. Update payment method, ensure your payment method is valid and working. And number 5 is contact FanDuel support. If you cannot resolve the issue yourself, visit the help center on FanDuel's website or app. Use the chat support option to speak with representative. Email them at support@fanduel.com if available. Provide as much details as possible, including your username and any relevant information about the suspension. Avoid common violations in the future. To prevent further suspensions, use only one account. Play only in eligible states. Avoid using VPNs or other tools to bypass location services. Ensure all personal information is accurate and up to date. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.